Yengbi Punamupu, Saratchandra Sharma Impact News ki Manung Ramuk setting. I say Manung topic say depositing licensed guns under election model code of conduct. I wish the name of the Adum Sadabini election hack notice Tolopa, election dead head lock Tolopa, Swider, license guns encouraging Manang police station, the Magi Manang police station, the Picat Owa Hodum Tangare, the other one the Q in the Yankanda, license can deposit down oh I know not Tolopa cans there, Tole Conjel say. Thukhiba Irang he 3rd May 2023 dagina hojik phawbuda haibatai hojik khara khara lepa ngarang na mu he hawbodong toba aduga chapchana lepa mak laitabanina sem sadaba yadaba gi phibam jing karising imai belgi maikei dagi aduga khungang hairakanda koigi tampak ka chingda lonaba swaidagi maruina khonjen thokle imadudi aikoina khungak pase lam ngak sabase aduga isa ngak thok sabase karigumba kanda license kan tugi matugin ngak sabani Pito Kragadi, Hide but totally but notice him in a picket Kragadi, a quick gain and oh, hype again, a job warm totally. So the election gi Kodok and the Kimatung in a toy but notice to gi, a do importance, a do Garigumanda Madu Pang to Ragana, a quigi no me she picket Kragana, a quigi Huchilaga, I ishabunga Pirakadushkana, no Hibagi, Pakum Sinakanana, Pidori Haimatang, the Kumakanajara Tanzani, no legend bit of a guessing day, I get it and Pambida CP Sonamani. Aduga hojik socio political commentator aduga ahan badadi tasang badi Nagaland police officer or man SP na retire to lokibani yana mata damot Sonamani utaram noksari lo samo Sonamani oid lengen bidibasi Ahongshangbam Mobi senior journalist ne matam kuina Manipur ki I pauta yam kuina khong targa lakpa hojisu actively involved to biba akoni yam kai kuma jeriba tamo Ahongshangbam Mobi ne tamo bi sai taram noksari tamo lo tamo bi oida ai ne yata thangna family jeribasi Sinam Shyam village volunteer ne ai Shyam buchara mokchari yanan bagi question se tamu sunam ni maroina SP oina sukuina pubiramba tamogi SP gi tenure du da Nagaland election thengnaba aduga arms guns encouraging deposit taw haibagi kari gi notice adum thengnabirangoni ado aida cam effectively kamaina pikhat narakpa yorong neng khali pikhat narakpa tu yorong neng khali Manipur ki context na Manipur gi leriba hujik pibam 3rd May 2020 de hora akanda hujimak Lanje khara lepum tawrena loina ba heta free de leibagi yaba tanja dumaksu oido male thengkhang sum haujo chum haubi tanja lakpanina tangai phadradi haura agati ngakthuk chabagi wafam su lakpanina license kan pikhal o haibasta tholei ba khonjel madudi license kan se pikhat khagadi ai khuigi khun ai gi yum ai gi ima icha ai gi mari mata sing kanana ngakpi ba haiba khonjel che kamain thambidinge sin tamosuna
jemyo mase election commission ki direction ni na mase moi tawdabu yadaba adubu law have se pass tawrga law se enact tawrga law se bu yaba yadaba mase ne khai luba hadise license gun se mostly tribal area da nongmi se ayamba mase mokhui asset or amadi yang na maru oiba moi gi mase part and parcel of body haibugum type to ni chale haibu ko je khudi jungle de leibani khudi shan mayam leiba khopani na khoi nongmai pai da bujadi shi haigu masam mokhi explanation to ko se government se I am random piggerly such Rachanpur dan khandi phirjol ni khangdi ayamba mo tribal sing she nongmai se mam pai be se mokhi gi samna harbida mokhi shor honbugum jana du pai raga hoi chumi jungle de leibana sasan lakpa ko patan jadu se mateng gar phangi ko gi high by explanation don su yare se yare Although election in Matang the high say mostly should they just chain a formal mase kuigi order ni to the yade or to the madi tamata dandi with the pigani high say kaya koi urakte. Yes, okay. Order as usual the government used to issue order ko random effective oiba oidaba or madune kayam puklakpa pukataba high say ultimately postmortem to every time everybody every government every assembly constituency or segment the only fail or kana na kaw na pikalo to su jai kana ni to se ke do rai ke the high we work no se to yi adu kam na akwin ayam adu kuin le ko tan ja fortunately high bate asumaina thodo pakap na bo khon ba to se I am so lucky during my stay 40 years service the amata thang direct adubu khara what na pikalak padi ayam matam dadi dum yawi dum tawi adubu akum bad dum government na ko miya bibi raji to kya karega raji hai to jana bhi matung na but government just what's up everything is peaceful normal hai the close to kiba The government is saying that why you failed to submit in spite of our order. The election my vote casting matam do loi gharbanina mase mu shangdaraga issue mu tarakani khamada moisu yariga mase hasap tawraga tawbasi mase chatnabi ni mase tawri punamase adu akoi Manipur context this will be a quite different story mu tagadoriba phare plain area da labor valley area da labor valley area da labor is not only Meitei, doesn't belong only Meitei. All section of people except these gene cookie terrorists, these people. Ado makoi de ayam malaitre, moina masana to chakrabanina. Ati section mayam so kayam lady do. UGs kayam lady. Adi matata unauthorized python so kayam lady so yaudi. How do you situations is can the government of India guarantee? No me mayam so no deposit to hiring a man on the 2,300 gene cookie terrorist ki suspension of operation gi this nefarious these people. They are involved in every day, every moment, killing. Mushi yeng, but the government karmana no me mud report to and hide. Is the government orders, is it justified? I feel it is not justified. Or can the government of India guarantee, or Manipur government can give guarantee? No me am so no luna, okay, Mr. Bikalako, suspension of operation of high no kapakano, Modimatum to the highway. Can the government of Manipur and the government of India can guarantee their lives? No, it is not possible. Aduna government ki order it is up to the individual at this juncture. A government order defy to high natte. Manam the suspension of operation the leaves now it is 10 months. Government of India mokoi masana khangi. If not they are supporting it. Adudi mokoi ne torupatan jade di mokoi no maikra pain leave khudak to tobududi kari thokadiri. Yes, election ke matang dadi nobody should arm. Except the security my candidates and the people in the other my periphery upon a thing with the money. Other just for the member my security tamaktan. By and large, my improvement no people support the with them. But it is every time order issue, every time cannot fulfill the government order. It is everywhere.
Koina Huzik Sarkarna license gun Piccolo Hibaji, Okoki Huzik. Election ga mari leinana or mabudi yai aduba hujik mai hong kanna sai baji da khogi isagi pai da boy maching amdana paijari ba khogi volunteer kara khogi maitai lipun adagi marging team arambai tengol atai de volunteer khogi village force kanguna license gun chu da boy khaga paija baji masi je sarkar na pikalo hai taragadi khoi pikhalage khoi akoi khunngak iba kaungji de akoi di kari paraga khunngak toribano adudi akoi isa ji siro haibaga chap manane ba aduna akoi sigi matang ji de license gan ji handaki matang gi irang ju kali banina sarkana amtang di mieng thambiraga lokhot pidana ba ai haini
khoi gi election khuding haiba tare ko koina model code of conduct chakna ba matungda koi nomai deposit to haisigi Karigi Taurino have a Hangchima Koyan Ying Bonchang. Kulai do Lokalaga di free and fair election to Boyani. Dapada Toroi, a deming on that do that Toroi have beginning. La Ibo Hangsi free and fair see which Manipur labor Pum Sida free and fair election to Yagadra question the toy. Election the pre will be fair do a royal. A quina Mamang the Amtenare, and the Iranji Mamang the election so many elections the Hoitenare. Sida Kogi Manung and from the labor missing Zigi Boatsi Tadaba Pangdi have a say character. Kanago Makarsanga gun point the Lord had a logical. Iban Hojita Hydropa Hitari Han Hydro on the bar, Mori the labor, my tasting the boat on the Tadadi. Other day, Madu the scenery guns in Duna free the Tadoga, a coach the labor guns in Jena, Lakoti Hargadi, Madu bias labor can on any slow way. Ato Pamana, we may say. Loinusum the Toran Kalasi, Adubu, Matota, Vimatuna, no Maisi, Equi Picket, the Naba, government, approach the way, exam to Vion.
Okay.
The sister Satnayaba. Say a personal security threats Yam Kalaba, Adegi, Hojiki cooling up Irisma, life and properties in Naimni, State. Adorgadi Makoigi, which are Matota upon ever. Seek is the exam to be on a Marilyn of SP that appeal to the Rastavia, but Mosa dem Tanare.
Okay.
As SP Yabidavan Ramani. Larry Potti, life and property ngak paji state ki mathau ni state na so many months ngak tan lawani koi so many property mangre mi mayam sigre both communities de mi chani ga trampan bogwa official record sinata ba hena sirangani adu official record ta 219 sire yum lising khra mai cha khre mi lising yang khai hompo displaced tawle adu di sigi pibam sida election gi question nam lai si swa sida dum soi bane ba election ji hoji free and fair ko sunga yaroyo adu free and fair oi ba yaroi da ba election si akoina pangthok ismak lan gi bane ba si pangthoi dam ni se khudam mon harabda hoji election ji candidate mayam thongna rani ko inner de lepa candidate singi di freely election khomba campaign do lo ya gani outer gi sida tampaki kendra taruk yauri jiribam yauri sigi sida atopa community amagi candidate de vote khoma lakpunga maroyo mana khomjaning ba poto free hoiga ba chu PR oina khom yadram ni na magi vote phangbai cha sa wat khane ba pining de ban another thing campaign hai ba mi campaign se free hoin ga do hen bangam dire do masi government o hen ga dong ne vote hada bidre su vote khombai right mon bi ga dong ne adu piba ngamde adu de sigum pibam da kamai tawni election pang ta ko do no do election commission of india na kamai lepsel ino jo koi question ma hangning ne election commission gi hoji game da yam man ba yam phajaba policy budi tawri ko first phase gi date 19 da thada ga daus da hoji khatnari ba kanglu animaki mi sing ji samana tha dan do re at same day adu di outer gi se phase ani thok to re mausa di outer na phase ma inner na phase am tor mo do hoji ti outer de phase ani thoni inner de phase am de loirani adu di free and fair to bunga moi doi mami je dai dan urobne adigi mo khoi village volunteer force loigara khoi individual loigara khoi khul ngakchari ba khoi gi kenoina ming chalga volunteer yawuna chadra su peri de leba igi no lai jo de pikha kren kala si adu atopa nakan gi no moi du di guarantee to bunga bra adu se lokot bom changya nakala badar no moi pa halaga nakala badar no moi pa hendra ga di madu fair oi de aduna election pangtok ko simang number 1 lale aduga nomoi lokot ki harigati both side gi lokot pang ngambi betai aduga natragana khoi gi exam to wiba area khra khoi gi hujujik dam kanna khut thoknari ba nomoi kapsul ai ba ari khulngak pa gi mathau tari bam pham dale ba singje sim exam to wibom changye masidi hana digi sana ba exam to ko jerum tongle sima to wiba changi natragati khoi volunteer singji election mathau tarakte khoi di khulngak pa khoi live and property ngak ko mathau ta ya dana moi dum phage phajo haira ne ana sigma pochi government na thoktana pa kamdona khoi gi kano sna government sna madu report pirino se election commission na haiba ta da budagi state manga gi home secretary thabol thoini bengal gi dgp thabol thoini adigi mizoram ga arunachal ra emadi state amadi kaure administrative officers ani thabol thoini election commission gi thabai si yamna laide ba atopa mana mu yengde si tamo sai thambi go noi pe khalak ta ba se ya je election commission da ekoina model code of conduct IRC directory ne sidi sumna da soina tawde ya di have yaude legally binding laite ba MCC se tawda bo MCC do haiba yarak ta ba kamu do CRPC da IPC da adigi people's representation act da palaka na masi court pur ko ya bai wadane ba atai de di masi government na kaya mayam thugai ba ko yam thena gren government apai ba any government khoi gi sarkar na du tong hai na adum thugai sum yaw ba adu bu election commission na madu ka haina tongam de mon di legally binding oi de ba pur ro kunina court pur ko da ma pa ta da ba pur pa ya da ba adum yaw du na te ba adi court pur ko ya men kana ba na ta ba meeting da sarkar hawa gari me to ngala ba oi hu de gi adu model ko lo conduct kai ni na adu oi ba da madu action loge har gari khut am chang ba action te lo ya da ba aduna model ko lo conduct se directory ni ekoi da khoi gi kari hai tare election chum na pangthok ko ya na ba election commission se ba guideline ai do